Hey everyone, it's Miss Kessling. I just wanted to explain the next assignment you're going to do. So basically, we're going to take everything we've been doing with the organelles and we're going to now complete this labeling activity. So you're going to use the organelle chart that you completed last week. I posted a cell organelle video, part 1 and 2 on Google Classroom. And you can also use the websites and videos that I posted in order to complete that organelle chart last week. So there's a few things you can use in order to help you label this. So what you're going to do is, if you click on the next slides, you're going to have a plant cell you need to label and an animal cell you need to label. So I would use your organelle chart as like your word bank. So if it's an organelle we've talked about, you're going to end up labeling it. But remember, not all plant and animal cells have the same organelles. So there are some organelles that will go in a plant cell that will not go into an animal cell, and vice versa. So you want to make sure you're being careful there. So you're going to use organelles like cell membrane, cell wall, mitochondria, smooth ER, rough ER, Golgi, lysosomes, chloroplasts. If you come across a organelle that we have not discussed, that was not on that organelle chart, then do not put it in here. So basically what you're going to do is, when you figure one out, like for example, let's take a look at this one right here. This one is pointing to just this green, this light green stuff in the middle of the cell. If you think that that light green stuff in the middle of the cell is the, let's say, nucleus, you're going to copy where it says type here. You're going to delete that and you're going to put nucleus. And then you're going to do the same thing for each one. So now let's say this big thing here, this big blue thing here, if you think that that is the mitochondria, you are going to put that as your answer. By the way, those are both wrong. So please do not, oops, can't spell mitochondria. Please do not use those as your answers. So again, use those sites, use the videos I posted to help you with this, and just do your best, okay? So basically this would be in place of us doing a cell model. Unfortunately, we can't do that because you're home and don't have access to all the materials needed. So this is just the next best thing, okay? So good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to email, and I will talk to you guys soon.